Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. Hello again everyone. Let's keep going. It is a difficult sound this week. Oh no! Don't worry, you know we can work together and we can change this difficult sound into an easy one. We need two letters again. We often use two letters together. This time it's Q and U. Yeah. Oh no. They both sound like difficult letters, but don't be too scared. No. Don't worry. Now it gets strange. Q, U. They are our letters this week. They make the sounds of two different letters. Oh dear. Right, okay. So, the sounds they make are K, W. What? Q and U make the sounds K, W. Let's put those two together a little bit quicker. K, W, Qu, Qu, Qu. So if we take the K and the W and join them together, we've got a Qu sound. So we've got the two letters Q and U, but the sound is Qu. Oh dear. Okay, but they are really good friends. Anytime you see a Q, you will see a U. They are always together. Q really likes U. So, are there any words? Well, of course there are. Yes. But not many. Let's see. What does that say? Let's break it down into the sounds. We've got Qu, E, N. Queen. Great. We know that one. Yep. Let's break this one down. Qu, I, K. Quick. Quick. Okay, we know those two. Great. So, now we know the sounds, we can put the words together. That's what we always do. What will we do with the words? Well, we will talk about that next time. So it's a strange sound, but we will be able to use it. That's next time. I think we need to try saying the sound again. Qu, Qu, Qu. It's a strange sound, isn't it? It really is. Don't worry though, guys. You will find it easy. So, see you very soon. Come back. He will be happy. We have a difficult week, but I am sure you can do a great job. You always do. Here are our two friends to say bye. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.